Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I am Sadia Hussain, lecturer, Department of Finance and Banking. Today I am going to discuss chapter 1, which is on first paper. In this lecture, I am going to discuss basic principles and goals of finance. Students, today I am going to discuss first paper, chapter 1. In this lecture, I am going to tell you about the principles of finance. First one is liquidity versus profitability. This principle has inverse relation, that means liquidity and profitability has negative relation with each other. The principle is the virtue for which a product, asset or security can be sold easily and converted into cash quickly is liquidity, and to earn investing in a profitable sector is profit. There is a negative relationship between liquidity and profitability. Profitability increases if liquidity decreases, and profitability decreases if liquidity increases. Because the more cash money an organization will retain, the less its investment will be. If a business retains less liquidity, it invests more, and if it can invest more, it can earn more. Then, principle of risks and return. We can call it the principle of risks and return trade-off. While making financial decision, to maintain a combination between risks of an investment and the profit earned from it is called principle of risk-return trade-off finance. There is a positive relation between risks and return. The more the risks, the more the profit. Business decision is made accepting the inherent risks and uncertainties of the decision. But while making a decision, a business should consider whether it will get enough profit compared to the risks it is undertaking. And this is known as principle of risk-return trade-off. The third principle is principle of diversification or the principle of portfolio diversification. The main theme of principle of portfolio diversification is risk minimization. When an investor invests in more than one money or asset, it is called portfolio. Too much investment in a project is risky. Principle of portfolio diversification means that an investor or businessman will not itself all his money in a single project, rather he will invest it in several projects. Investment decision of a businessman should be as diverse as possible. At this, business risk is distributed among different projects and thus reduced. This is portfolio diversification or the principle of diversification. Then, 4 number principle is proximate principle or principle of suitability. To select a perfect sector for fund collection or investment is called principle of suitability. This principle is very important in fund collection and investment. The main theme of this principle is that if an organization needs short-term fund, it should collect it from a short-term source. Similarly, if the organization needs long-term fund, then it should go to a long-term source. My dear students, our today's last topic is goals of finance. First one is profit maximization. Profit maximization means the attempt to increase profit of an organization. There is no specific and particular definition of profit in profit maximization. Definition of profit is different to different persons. Again, different persons use different methods to determine profit, comparing cost and revenue. So, it can be said that the concept of profit maximization is quite vague. Then, wealth maximization. To maximize net present value or share price of the shareholders of the firm is called wealth maximization. Net present value or value of wealth of the shareholders is determined by market value of share. The more the price share is, the more the wealth of a business will be. So, to increase share price means to maximize shareholders' wealth. In fact, wealth maximization means the attempt of a firm to increase its share price at maximum level. My dear students, that's all for today's class. If you have any kind of questions or queries, you can call me or you can clear all of your confusion in our Zoom classes. Allah Hafiz.